Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon. Whichever time you are watching my channel, welcome. Let's see what they have for our homes at home today. Look at here. For those of us who are still social distancing, this may be something for us to try out. Hmm. You know that special place we usually go to where everything is like $1? I've been going in that place trying to find me some items that I can use to help organize my home, my kitchen, my cabinets, my closet space, just something, my refrigerator, something to help organize my home with and put my things in its proper place. Have not found it yet. But this place here at home, it is on, y'all. Look at here, look at here. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Enjoy this. I'm going to try to be quiet a little bit and let y'all just see what I saw in this place. Y'all, I couldn't hold my peace no more. Look at here, look at here. Y'all know Bath and Body Works got their sale coming in June if they don't change their mind. And Victoria's Secret. We gonna need somewhere to store these items. And I'm seeing some nice things in here. Even with rollers, wheels, so I can move it around where I want it to go. Look at that. Look at that. All right now. For us outdoorsy folks who like to go out and can't get out for whatever reason, pollen or COVID, I thought that this rug would be something nice to place in our home to have a picnic on. It's so nice. It reminds me of a fresh cut lawn. Now, this is the rug that you do not step on. You hop over it or you walk around. I want to thank each and every one who followed me to At Home in Virginia today. I appreciate you and I am grateful to God for you, because if it wasn't for you, there would be no Reba Renee 7 on YouTube. Be blessed, y'all. Bye.